In this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of a med spa website that I recently created for my clients in the US, right? So this is about Madeline Aesthetics, right? And this is a website that we created a month ago, and we wanted to, make it very, very professional. Now, let me tell you one thing. You've probably seen a lot of med spa websites, but not really a very, very beautiful, modern, and built on high level med spa websites like these inside High Level platform. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level and Funnel website design agency. We build marketing funnels, websites, and landing pages for our clients literally across the globe. We have been working with clients over 12 plus countries, built over 250 plus custom design projects, and serve 6, 7, and 8 figure clients, which is an amazing, astounding number. Not just that, in case you are already a 6, 7, 8 figure client and you're looking to get a free consultation with me to see if we can help you in some way or the other when it comes to our specific niche area, then make sure you go to pritamhadra.com. All the links are in the description box. So yeah, go to that and just schedule a free consultation call here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of our work. Again, I'm high level certified. I mean, that's the least to say. But yeah, we have years and years of experience working on hundreds of custom design projects, working day and night for years. So yeah, I mean, we know what we're doing, right? That's point one, of course. But yeah, I'll just go through it, and yeah, and let me know in case you have any kind of question in the comment section. If you're just starting out regarding your high level and you're really not sure as to whom to choose in order to go ahead for your affiliate setup or your affiliate requirements, then make sure that you go to bonus.pritamha.com. Again, links are in the description box, and just watch out as to what we are offering you for the price, which is amazing. Right? You basically have to pay nothing and still get all of these, which is one-on-one exclusive free consultation call, which is optional, but you get it if you want it, right? And then here, done with you basic setup, where we give you a snapshot which literally has everything. I'm going to showcase you as to what is where. You get all these landing pages, templates, websites, like all these automations, literally everything. Also, you get exclusive bonus where you can basically reach out to me if you have any questions via email. So email support is always there. Again, very, very specific, uh limited time offers, because we can't really take a lot of people and answer them all the time. But yeah, we can take a few till the time we feel that it's up to that mark. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started with the this MedSpa website that we created. Again, it's a beautiful, modern, stunning website that we created for our client, right? And as you can see, the branding was custom design. You don't really get to see these kind of branding on the internet, but yeah, we kind of play with colors really, and kind of know as to what will look better and how to design it in order to look better and look very, very professional. Let me quickly give you a complete walkthrough here. This is basically the front section: why choose us, popular treatments, before and after, meet the founder, and then basically the testimonials and the final footer. Now, normally what you see in for MedSpa website is you're gonna see a photo at the back end and then some text at the front, which kind of really kills the approach, and is like a decade old approach to create high converting websites and landing pages. Because hey, let's get that fact check, because these websites and landing pages created a decade ago are not high converting because they were not with that approach, right? When we create something like this, the approach is to get into higher conversion, having clarity to the visitors, and helping them take a action that you always wanted them to take. That's basically what you're going to do here, right? As you can see, this beautiful green, and there's this background color here. We have home, we have services. So we create all the pages for our client, which is laser hair removal, jet peel, infusion facial, deep clean facial, derma planning, microderma aversion, and then you have contact us page, and we also have a shop page which basically takes you to the e-commerce section of the high level platform. Now let's go ahead and let's understand the website itself, which we created. Right, as you can see, beautiful font here that we have used. Let me quickly showcase to you which font it is, which is Bellifair. I think this is a very, very nice font that we chose here, right? And then glow naturally, embrace your tube beauty. Again, a statement that people are looking to hear or looking to read. And then you have a sub headline which kind of supports the main headline, which is, hey, this is a family owned and operated med spa serving the Brooklyn community, right? And again, make an appointment, and then you have these kind of trust badges. Of course, most of these are women's as customers. So we have the zoom in photos here, and then again, it looks really, really nice. When you click on it, you can basically get to the contact us page, and people can, fill up their details and schedule a call with us, right? Again, as you can see on the right hand section here, this is a beautiful lady here, right? And again, we want to show people as to what they can achieve if they take our services, our offerings, our products. That's how marketing works, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how we basically have to market on your landing page and a website as well. This is a classic example of a well built hero section for higher conversion. First things first, you have the tagline here, we have the main headline here, we have the sub headline here, we have a call to action, we have for authority, we have these kind of trust badges here, which is on the left hand section. On the right hand section, you can basically showcasing people as to what you can achieve if you join us, or if you take our services, or if you take our products, which is what you see this model as, right? And again, as you can see, by bridging these two photographs, basically two sections, we have professional treatment skincare here. Again, this golden color badge kind of looks like a stamp here, looks beautiful, looks stunning. Let's scroll down, and we have this question again. All these websites and landing pages that you see are basically built for real life example clients. So these are not really templates, rather real projects. So we design as per the requirements of our clients, right? And yeah, in case you're not aware of what is the requirement, you can always reach out to us, and we will help you sort out as to what is best suited for you. Now, and in this section, as you can see, it says why choose us, and we have this beautiful section created with this slider here showcasing as to what you get when you come to us, or when you experience the Marlin Aesthetics clinic, right? And that's basically what these photographs are all about, because you to show people as to what they are going to achieve or get when they use your services, your offerings, your tech products, or your basically uh, services, right? In general, right? So yeah, that's basically what you people are going to get here. And again, we have bifurcated into these three things. First is advanced technology. Just look at this custom design icon, kind of looks really, really nice. Advanced technology, certified professionals, proven results. Looks really clean, really beautiful. You can't really create these kind of sections and elements inside high level, but we kind of get a hack as to how to create it. I'm going to discover and explain all this detailing on my courses that I provide for free on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to it, because that's how you're going to learn from me. And I'm going to give you the tricks and tips in order to make stunning websites for your clients or for yourself. Right? Then you have popular treatments here. Again, we're basically showcasing all the treatments that we provide here, which is laser hair removal. We also showcase as to what exactly they are going to get when they opt for the laser hair removal. For example, they're going to achieve a silky smooth skincare, because if you do not write these advantage, these benefits here, people are not going to click on this learn more button and then go to a dedicated page, which kind of again sells them further in order to book a call or schedule a call for their particular service, right? So again, jet peel fusion, again it's just beautiful photographs, beautiful cornering, all so much of detail is being put into all of this, right? Jet peel fusion facial, what are the benefits, all that mentioned here, beautiful button kind of with a hover effect. And then at the bottom you have this kind of effect as well, not normally possible easily with high level. You have to put in a lot of details and a lot of nitty gritty. And let me tell you one thing, this is done without CSS, so you can do it too. You just need to know the tricks, which you're going to learn on my courses that I'm going to put forward for free on this channel, right? Again, deep clean facial looks really nice, looks very but the benefits are really good. So again, those are explained here. Same goes for derma planning and micro dermabrasion. And as you can see, these kind of photos kind of relate very, very well and looks really, really premium and very, very aesthetic, because that's the goal for any kind of med spa website. Because if they don't look really premium, well designed, then you can't really charge a premium price for that, right? That's you have to always keep in mind. Then you have this section here, because see, this is a section divided into one row three column, then again need to have one row three column, and this basically behaves as a call to action section, since we do not have another service to fill up here. So again, we have this kind of beautiful logo, get started now, and then with basically sub headline, make an appointment, right? So yeah, And then we have before and after, beautiful before and after details. Again, all of these are basically editable, so the client can always edit them and change the graphics whenever they feel is required or important, and all of that. So we design these in a way which mostly our clients can do themselves without too much of CSS and HTML is what we prefer, right? But we use a bit of it whenever required, but yeah, most of it is actually without the CSS and HTML, which is the best part actually of our work, right? Again, meet the founder, Marlene Shalom, right? Again, I want to highlight the mission here to ensure that everyone who walks through her door feels their absolute best, both inside and out. So I got this statement and these details from the client, and I made sure that we can highlight this in the best way possible for people to get the best experience on the website to get the highest conversion possible. That's how you do it. That's the level of dedication you need when you're creating these kind of custom level websites and landing pages for your clients, right? So again, this is Malin, a great photo, kind of, and these kind of photos I call is an authoritative photo, because it kind of look like, you're kind of standing straight, look into the camera, showcasing a bit of the background and all of that, and a good professional photograph. And these are basically the dress she wears when she is in the clinic. So again, very very I would say, looks professional, looks nice, and then relatable to the target audience as well. So these kind of photos are the best. Again, we have basically bifurcated or segmented the about section of Marlene into a personal journey to confidence, expertise and education, trusted partnership, and passion for transformation. All these sections are designed in a way that is going to help you understand that what exactly this section is all about, what exactly this section is all about, and then what exactly this section is all about, so on and so forth. These kind of section segmentation is super important to continuously grab the attention of the visitor and help them read with ease without having for them to get bored, because attention span nowadays is very very less. So you have to give your best in order to make it less stressful and more enjoyable to read. So okay, so this section is all about what their clients have to say. Again, they have amazing reviews here, which basically is what we have shown through that Google. So basically, through the reviews widget that we are using inside High Level. Let's scroll down, and then we have this footer section as well. Looks really really nice with the Marlin logo, navigation pages, services pages, and social media links, copyright, and all of that at the bottom. That's basically how you create these kind of stunning websites and landing pages inside High Level. Let me tell you one thing, this is not only in the desktop version, which looks stunning, but also the mobile version, which kind of looks really, really attractive. As you can see here, when you click on it, you get all the options that you got in the navigation bar. And when you scroll down, you kind of see it so well. This looks just really, really nice, super responsive, center aligned. I think this is a perfect creation of top end landing pages and funnels and website for MedSpa at least, right? Go through it, learn from it. I hope that this is really, really helpful and beneficial for you guys to understand. Now let's go ahead to the other pages, right? So basically, when you click on make an appointment, you kind of go to the contact us page, which you see here, right? And as you can see here, that we have get in touch with you. Again, beautiful sections created here: email, phone number, business hour, address, and then you also have this form where you can basically, collect the payment and get started with the process. You also have this locators option. Now we are using basically Google's code here in order to add it. These are not the high level inbuilt location finder, that widget, right? Rather we are custom adding CSS elements and HTML elements in order to make it like this, which kind of looks really really stunning, and I really like it. By the way, the mobile version is a bit unique here. So when you do this, you scroll down, and then you will be able to see the mobile version of it as well, kind of a smaller, nicer, so yeah, you can interact with it. Looks really really nice. Again, you have this all these options here. Let's go ahead to the services pages and let me show it to you. Normally what people do is they kind of create the services page like very normal, but as a somebody who is focused on to conversion, design, copywriting, I kind of create my services pages for our clients as sales pages. Now, that also depends on the the budget that the client has, because this actually needs a bit of higher budget, because since you are working on so many pages, which is a long form approach, so it kind of takes a lot of time, effort, and of course our expertise skill in order to make that happen. But let me quickly showcase to you, let's say, the laser hair removal. And again, this itself is a sales page. As you can see here, smooth silky skin with laser hair removal, all the details, the subheadline here, make an appointment. Again, when somebody clicks on it, they kind of go to the contact us page. So that's something that is there. And then this section is about the hero section, so professional treatment, skincare here. Right. Then again, why choose a laser hair removal? So we give you all the reasons as to why you should choose us. So yeah, long lasting smoothness, safe advanced technology, no more hassle and irritation, quick and convenient sessions. Let me tell you one thing: the background images you are seeing are all related to this particular service, which is your laser hair removal, which is amazing, isn't it? When you scroll down, you get to see a section which is a very modern section as to what to expect from your treatment. So personalized consultation, precise treatment, noticeable results, and the call to action is actually here instead of here, because we you need to create a good looking sections, guy. You can't just create something that was done 10 years ago by somebody. You can't just copy people and then think that people are going to like it, because you have to create your own. This kind of looks very, very nice, and I kind of, because it kind of fits all the principles of UI, at the same time is very modern, that you would have seen on very, very modern and high end websites. Again, you have this before and after client results section. Again, meet the founder Marlene section. Then you have again the reviews section, and at the end you have the FAQ section specifically for laser hair removal. Again, as you can see, this is designed in a way that kind of has a beautiful branding to it, looks really nice, and again, all of this is 100% mobile optimized. Let me quickly showcase this to you. When you click on inspect, you will be able to see as to everything is 110% mobile optimized. We hardly use any CSS, but yeah, if you know good design skills, you kind of know your way in order to design beautiful, stunning websites, just the way we are doing it here for our clients. Again, in case you're looking for these kind of services, just go to pritam.com. All links are in the description box. Let's go ahead. Let me quickly show it to you, the jet peel infusion facial. Again, as you might have already seen, these are all sales approach landing pages, or I would say sales approach services pages with a proper landing section, right? As you can see, again, beautiful hero section, beautiful sections where we basically showcase as to the reasoning and giving them reasons as to why they should choose jet peel infusion facial. The best part about this is, even if the client doesn't really want to share the homepage, rather if somebody is asking for, let's say, the jet peel infusion facial service, then the client can literally just select this particular URL and send it, and it's going to work exactly the same way as a sales page operates and does, with a very professional approach on the entire website itself that we did for our client, because it literally has all the elements that you need in order for higher conversion based on the resources they had. Again, you have deep clean facial that you can go ahead and check out, right? Let us just quickly load. Again, as you can see, beautiful design, the beautiful colors and beautiful sections. Again, a similar approach, because again, at the end of the day, these are all sales pages selling the particular service that people are interested in. And then you have derma planning. Again, these are all premium graphics that you use, premium photographs, because people or the visitors, all right, everybody needs to see what they are going to get before they schedule a call with you. So all of those is super important for you to show. And I think when you create these kind of landing pages for people, they kind of go through it as well very nicely. And again, this is 100% mobile optimized, so that you can see and have a great experience even when you're using the mobile version as well, right? So that's pretty much is as to how to create these kind of stunning landing pages, websites, and on high level. And this was a complete walkthrough of the med spa website, because I've seen a lot of average med spa website built on high level, but I believe that you can create stunning med spa website inside high level. This is just an example of that. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you liked it. I'll see you soon on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. Have a great day.